What's up, armies? This is Jahimangi. I have just changed my notification tone to something that I think is really funny, and I thought I'd share with you guys how to do it in case you don't know how to do it. First of all, I have to state that clearly, as you can see from your screen right now, I have a Samsung phone, so it's an Android phone. I'm not sure if this method applies for iPhone. But anyway, you might want to find out how to do it anyway. Okay, what you can do is, I went to turn on an episode of Run BTS that I found funny or that I wanted a voice clip from, and so what I did was I turned up the volume on my computer and I recorded it really loudly. I turned up the volume, it was really loud, and I recorded it. I'm gonna show you an example now. Okay, so I love this so much, and I just set it as my ringtone, and I received a message from my friend, and I thought it was like super funny, so I thought I'd share with you guys how to do it. You can record, just turn on, there's a voice recorder on Samsung phones. It comes default with your phones. I know this, I've had Samsung phones for years, and all my phones came with a default voice recorder already in the phone. You don't have to download it, so just look for it. You can see the voice recorder app. Just open it and then just record, and then you can check it on your list. Now, I have changed my it's not a ringtone, it's a notification tone, because nowadays we don't really call each other, it's more like we text each other. So yeah, I changed it to the JK and Hobie laughter that you just heard, and then now I'm gonna change it to the JK harmonica, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's from the same episode. It's from the Run BTS episode where they're all like filming at their home. Let me go quickly look what episode it is. It is episode 128. So if you want the JK Hobie laughter and then the JK harmonica where he plays The Boy With Love, and let you hear it. It's the oh my part with Boy With Love. So I'm going to show you how to do it. That's what happens. That's what happens when someone texts you. So okay, I wasn't expecting that, but okay, great. That was a great example right now. So okay, I'm gonna show you how to go change that. Okay, so a file that you recorded with your voice recorder app cannot be transferred into the notification alarm tones or any other thing like that. You have to convert it first. So go to your Play Store and or the equivalent for your phone. Go to the store, download this app called MP3 Cutter and Ringtone Maker. There are many apps that are similar, but look out for the one with this like icon. Oh wait, let me go back. Exit. Okay. So look for this icon. It's a picture of scissors cutting a note. There are many similar ones, and I cannot vouch for the other ones, but this is the one that I used, and it works fine. It works great. So what you do is you go into the app, and then you choose, and it says all, sort by date. Okay, there we go. You just refresh by going back to the home page of the app. You click on MP3 Cutter, and then make sure you name your files, right? You name your files properly in your voice recorder list so that you can access them easily. And then get this, and then you can trim it if you want. Okay, I'm gonna make it longer to see where that goes. That doesn't make much of a difference. So anyway, okay, so you can cut it like you can cut all these like extra parts over here that you don't want. You can cut it to the exact sound. It's called trimming. So trim it, press the trim button. Oh no, well, you're already trimming it, sorry. And then just press save. Just press save right now. And then it tells you what to do with your file. Well, it doesn't tell you what to do, but here you can change it. I don't want the word audio cutter there. I just want it to be called JK Harmonica. And then the format is an MP3 format because, well, this is what I did. I don't really know the technicality of why you must convert it into MP3 format. I just know that it works, so do it. Do it that way. And then turn off the advertisement. It's already saved like this. It's a 2-second ringtone thing. Let's listen to it. And then now that it's saved, okay, go to your files. Okay, here we go. Go to my files. Go to internal storage. Go to music. MP3 cutter. Audio cutter. You'll see this, JK Harmonica. Or you can go to audio. It's right there as well. All your audio files. Click on the blue one because the one with the microphone is the voice recorded version from your voice recorder list. But the blue one with the music note is the MP3 file. Don't open it or don't do anything. Just long press on it until a tick comes up and then move. Did you see that at the bottom? At the bottom it should say move, and then it's highlighted. Don't do anything else. So go back. As you can see, it's still highlighted at the bottom because you're moving it. Go to notifications. Again, go to internal storage. Go scroll down, go to notifications, and this is where all your tones for notifications live. And then just at the bottom, you should see on the bottom right, it says move here. Click on that, and then now you will see that it says N, right? A purple N there. That means that it's new. So these are some of the other ringtones or notification tones that I've converted. You listen to them. Ding dong. And then this one I really like. This was Jimin and Jungkook in the car, and they were doing In the Soup together. Yeah, and then this one is where Namjoon says my name. 알아? Let's go. 알아. Yeah, so I love this. I change my notifications all the time because it's funny. I really like the JK and Hobie Laughter one that I just did, but for right now we're just gonna do the harmonica. Now that it's here, right, in the notifications folder, what you do is you go to your settings, go drop down to your settings, and then go to don't go to notifications, go to sounds and vibration, and then choose notification sound. See, it should appear right there, JK Harmonica. Yeah, there we go. And then go back, and that would be your notification sound from now on, whatever you choose. So of course you have the default ones, but you can choose all these. Like, make sure you are naming your files so that you know how to find them easily instead of scrolling through everything. It's a very long list. Yeah. So if you guys try it, I hope you try it. It's not a difficult process at all. It's very easy and it's very quick. And you're able to customize because you can have different ringtones and notification tones and special tones for different people. You can customize everything on your Android phone. I'm not sure if you can do this on your iPhone. If you can, let me know because I don't know. But anyway, yeah, that's how you do it. If you're gonna do it, let me know what like with what kind of tone you're gonna do it with, and I hope it's something funny, because then whenever like a message, a text comes in, then it's gonna be hilarious. So go ahead and do this, you guys. This has been Jihimangi, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!